crowd. Coming in from your right, Sarams representing the self-reliance of our nation, this India formation. Mr. Cool and Calm, the flight commander of the team, Wing Commander Sridhar is in command of Sarang 2. Today his co-pilot is our young and dashing, most stylish Ivan. Let's listen out for the leader's call. Airline City people, you are the gems in our hearts, so this time information is for you. You are in for a breathtaking surprise, and there goes giving here's your chance to be a part of the action. Give a wave to our pilots and wish them luck. Singapore, get ready for more adrenaline-packed moments because the show is not over yet. So hold your breath and look straight ahead as our 1, 2, 1, 3 run it for the Dolphins lead. Tilting towards each other until their rotors are nearly vertical and crossing in very close proximity. For our next maneuver, double aero cross. All in a day's work. Please look straight ahead for level fish. Now coming in from opposite directions, Sarang 3 and Sarang 4 are gearing up to pull out some mind-blowing pair maneuvers. But 20 will cross head-on, give a high-five and perform synchronized tall turns facing away from each other. We all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Right in front, Mishi and Shri will present a beautiful pulsating heart as symbol of our love to the Lion City, Singapore.